Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. So this one, I actually needed this to help with my recording. So I have a wireless Comica receiver and transmitter, and they run on AA batteries. The only thing is the transmitter, or the receiver, for some reason it seems to run out of battery power pretty quick. So what this is, it's a AA battery supply adapter. So it replaces two AA batteries, and this is a brilliant idea actually. And so my battery runs out. There seems to be, even when it's not using it, I'll put in some brand new batteries, and it'll be a little low when I turn it back on. So I purchased this so I could just plug it into the wall and not have to worry about replacing, because I was putting in brand new batteries every time I make a video, and I didn't want to make like an hour-long video and have the sound run out on it. That's kind of not cool. So love the Comica headset that I wear. It works great. Never had an issue with it. That's like if I have any complaint about it, that's it. But so this little guy, it kind of has some instructions on here. You put the batteries in there just like you would normally, but make sure it's for two AA batteries or whatever. So you have this part, obviously the wall adapter, and this can slide into there. That's kind of cool that you can take that out. I haven't really seen that before. And then you would put your two batteries in like normal. This has a super thin wire, so when you plug it in, and I think that'll even fit, mine slips up into the inside the Comica transmitter or whatever. And so this is, like, as you can see, it's a super thin like ribbon, and that's going to power your thing. So you should be able to plug this in like normal, and I would demonstrate it for you guys, but I'm actually using this device to make this video, so it's a little difficult, but you see how it works. You can just put it in like normal and run your cord out, and then this plugs into this device here, and then you plug it into the wall, and it seems to have a pretty long cord. I would guesstimate probably 5 or at least 4 feet long. So that is the deal right there. It's a brilliant idea, and it's going to save me a lot of battery time, or a lot of money on batteries, and also from the sadness of making a long video and find out that your audio is not being recorded. Well, maybe some people like that, but sometimes it's nice to have some audio as well, voice anyway. So this this nifty little device, it's a Lenink, and you can pick it up from Amazon. It's about $14. So I'm going to test it out. Probably do a review on it. This little unboxing here is just, I usually make a couple videos, so just kind of show you guys what's in the box and what it does, but maybe I'll start including those. I haven't decided yet, so I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I do get some kickbacks from Amazon. I am an Amazon associate, so if you do click on the link, it helps out the channel a little bit. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you guys soon.